Just recently, a member on the web forum We Love CSS posted a thread, and it had to do with a website he was constructing that had issues with tiling background. This is actually the background in question. And let me bring the web page over so you can see the effect it has. These little lines, the designer's wanting to remove these, and I guess he thought it was a CSS issue, but it's actually within the image. So today we're going to be concentrating on graphic design instead of CSS, WordPress development, things like that. If I zoom in closer, you can see that this is the line that's causing the problem. But I also wanted to point out this is a background image for a web page, and currently it's about 87K, and that's ludicrous for a background image that's this simplistic. So on top of optimizing it, on top of cropping it, we're also going to optimize it. So what I would do first is get my crop tool, which is located right here, and choose the zone that I want to crop. And really, I think these two images are all you're going to need. So we want to crop. I'll zoom in here in a second to make sure we're not getting into that white line, but I want to crop like so. Oh wait, we're not getting any of that lower graphic. Let me get both of the images we need to get the same effect, or retain the effect of the original. Bring it right inside of that line. Make sure we're not clipping off anything that we need. So I don't want the tile to be distorted in any way. Alright. Now we have our cropped background. And I'm going to head up to File, Save for Web. This will allow me to preview the before and after. As you can see, well, we've already cropped it, so we've decreased the file size a little bit already. This unoptimized JPEG was originally about 86K, and now it's 73K at the crop. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a ping. And I already have the values set up from testing this, but if you look down here, it's only going to be about 6.6K, which that's ideal for web use. In this day and age, you really don't have to worry too much about file size, but there's going to be a lot of unpredictable factors, and I still like to get as small files as I can. So all you'll have to do is go ahead and click Save. And you have yourself a web-ready image.